Okay, here we are again, guys. Another video. It's been a few days. Got the Remington XF8505 foil razor here, and according to the Remington site, this is the top of the line Remington razor. It's been out for a few years though, so you'd think Remington would want to come up with something newer, but this is it. This is the top of the line razor here. Let's take off this first little bit here. We call it the Remington SmartEdge Advanced Foil Shaver. So let's have a look here. Open this up. See what's inside. I might splice a couple of videos together if this thing isn't charged, which it may not be. Still debating whether I should do this unboxing and a shave in one video, but I might make two separate videos, we'll see. Instruction manual here. Full charge time, it says, is 2 hours. That's a little bit, this is apparently a lithium ion battery, and yet the charge time is 2 hours. That's a little bit much for a lithium razor. Standard travel case, which of course the other Remington I got didn't have. This looks like it says it's a charging stand. Looks like it plugs in on the side here. Cleaning brush. A little bit of a thicker cleaning brush than the other Remington had. Power adapter. There you go, just a standard power adapter. And of course, again, the razor. And there it is. There we go. So it feels fairly similar to the other one, the other Remington I have. It looks like though that, yeah, you'll definitely have to use the charging stand, because it just has the two little points on the back, so that I assume it would go in here like this, like that, I guess. There we go. Kind of an unusual design there. Here's the head foil cap, kind of similar to the other one. Here's the heads, the three foil heads. You can see it's got the standard bar in the middle there, and then the other two foils. Let's turn this on and see if it does have charge. It does. Okay. Maybe open this up, see if there's hair in it. And yes, of course, the winners at Amazon. My first razor, guys, that has had hair in it. I've always heard this happening. You know, you always see reviews on Amazon. People say they buy a razor a purportedly new razor. They get it, they open it up, they discover it's full of hair. Yeah, this one has, you can see remnants of hair as well. I don't know if that's captured by the camera, but I think it is. You can see down at the bottom there. So suffice it to say, I won't be putting this on my face or my head for that matter. So yes, this will be the lone video I do on this razor. I wish I could offer my opinion on it, but of course, with Amazon's scummy practices of selling razors as new that are actually full of hair, yeah, it is what it is, as some of us might say. Yeah, so there it is, guys. That's what it looks like. Trimmer. I guess we can turn that on too. So there you go, guys. That's an unfortunate aspect of Amazon, that, you know, they want to sell something that's used. Yeah, considering I won't have a chance to use this, I can't recommend it. But hopefully this video has helped. If you are lucky enough to find one of these that isn't full of hair, let me know. Let me know how you found it. If it worked well for you or not, let me know. All I can do again is show you the different parts, show you what it comes with. But thanks, guys. An unboxing video. We'll see you in the next one, and hopefully I can do a shave in the next video for you. Okay, guys, so yes, this is the second video. Of course, I ended the first video without doing my wrap-up. I was so ticked off at this razor being full of hair that I totally forgot about my wrap-up. So again, remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Also visit www.electricrazorwrap.com. Post any questions or comments you have about any razors that I've reviewed here, or any ones you have tried and you want to talk about. And also remember to support Electric Razor Wrap if you like the videos I do. www.buymeacoffee.com/electricrazorwrap. So thanks again, guys. Again, I'm sorry that this razor turned out to be a dud. Again, I won't be shaving with it. This second video here, was actually recorded about an hour after I returned that razor to the post office. So I'll just have to find another one to review. Hopefully it doesn't have hair in it. So until then, guys, we'll talk to you soon.